Hello and welcome to our Letter of the Day Ideas video. This lesson is in conjunction with the weekly lesson plans, and I'm about to upload those on my website, kathyahetto.com. So make sure you check that out and get the free weekly lesson plan that has all the activities for your whole day for all week long so that you can have a complete pre-K for your homeschool. I homeschooled my children all the way through from pre-K all the way through 12th grade. And my daughter's in 12th grade, my youngest daughter. So I'm almost done, and she's in dual enrollment for college. So I'm done. And which means that I'd love to give back and help and bless your homeschool. So today we did Y is for Yo-Yo, and we decorated the letter Y with yellow bits of paper. Y is also for yellow. That was our decorating idea. For the letter sound, Y says yeah, as in yell. So I asked some questions. What's your name? Miss Coffee. Just yell out the answer. What's your favorite color? Green. What's your favorite food? Chocolate cake. So just ask some questions and practice yelling to really make that sound stick. We did some blending and a little reading today just by mixing the letter Y with the vowels. You can watch the Vowel People video in another video here, and you can even get these Vowel People puppets. I definitely recommend because it makes a story with the vowel person, so you can really make those sounds stick. For math today, we did a fun yo-yo ordering by size. So we ordered by size from the biggest to the smallest, and then we mixed them up. And we ordered them from the smallest to the biggest. So you can do that if you'd like to. And again, that's on the weekly lesson plan, the link to get that and all the printables and worksheets. For music and movement, we did a song that said jump up, get down, shake all around. And I'll put the link below for that. For art today, we did something fun. We made a yo-yo out of a cupcake liner, and we traced our hand and glued that at the top and attached a piece of string. So that's our art project for today. For science and social studies, we did something kind of cool. I talked about gravity. Yo-yos go up and down, and when I throw this ball up, it's going to come down because of an invisible force known as gravity. You can't see it, but that pull is there. That's how God designed things to be able to work, to be able to spin the earth around the sun, and all of that takes gravity, and just perfect gravity that God designed in his creation. And so we talked a little bit about the center of gravity, and I want to show you something really cool with a Dr. Pepper can. Take a look at this Dr. Pepper can. It seems like magic, doesn't it? So here's the can sitting like this, but you can make it sit on its side and it doesn't fall over because the center of gravity is right here. That's because I have 3 ounces of water inside, and this can, you can even move it all around. The center of gravity is still going to be right here where the water is, where it's heaviest. So that's why it doesn't fall on over, because the center of gravity, or the heaviest part of the can, is right here. So that's going to be what is down on the bottom. This part of the top of the can is lighter. So that's the center of gravity. Oh, there we go. Let me show you one more time. Okay, there it is. Whoa, that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to come back around and we'll wrap up, and I'll tell you what I did for story time today. Okay, really fast. I also did this little balloon activity. So these are just 2 regular balloons. One has a coin in it, a quarter actually. Can you see that? It's in there. There's a quarter in this one. This one is just a plain balloon. When you bounce this balloon around, it just moves pretty quickly. Whoa, Fred was about to catch the balloon for me. But usually it'll fall, it'll start, the heavier part, the part that you tied, is probably going to fall. It's going to maneuver itself so that that center of gravity falls kind of down. It's moved so that the center of gravity is down. And so but with the quarter, what's cool is the quarter is moving around. So the center of gravity moves too, and it just kind of like jerks the balloon. I don't know if you can see that, but it just kind of moves it all around because the center of gravity moves. So that was a fun project for science. And now for our story time, we read Baby Loves Gravity. This story is by Ruth Spiro, illustrated by Irene Chan. And why don't I read that? It was really short, so I'll read it to you here. Baby Loves Gravity. Baby drops a noodle, plop. Puppy gobbles it up, slurp. Why does a noodle fall? Because of gravity. Everything is made of matter. The amount of matter is called mass. The puppy has less mass. The baby has more mass, and the earth has lots more mass. Mass makes two objects pull together. This pull is called gravity. The earth has a lot of mass, so it has a strong pull. When baby drops something, the earth pulls it down. Baby likes to test this. Puppy likes to help. Slurp. Gravity is everywhere. The moon has less mass. The earth has more mass. Less mass, less gravity. More mass, more gravity. The sun has lots more mass and lots more gravity. The gravity makes the moon go around the earth and the earth go around the sun. Gravity is even at the park. Baby climbs up. Whee! And gravity helps him down. Baby loves gravity. The end. Well, that was a simple book just to kind of introduce gravity. Hope you've had some fun with Y is for Yo-Yo with me today. Tomorrow Z is for zigzag, lightning, and weather. See you then. Goodbye.